everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to test the proximity sensor issue. Is it happening in the ML11X device or not? As you can see, friends, so I did receive a couple of messages regarding the proximity sensor. Is it working properly or not in this phone? And now few of the users, they did receive their mobile phones, and one of the user is facing with the problem while taking calls in the phone. As you can see, friends, this is a comment which I received. So as I said, I'll be uploading a video on this particular topic, and here is a video for this kind of users who are facing similar kind of issues in terms of the proximity sensors. So let's see, I'll try to demonstrate you whether the proximity sensor is happening problem in my phone or not. So in case if you're having any other doubts, so make sure to comment below. Definitely I'll do those testings in my channel, friends, and also follow me regularly for those updates as well. So let's try to make a call and see whether the proximity sensor is working properly or not. So right now, friends, I'm trying to make the call at the moment, and as you can see, the proximity sensor is not responding when I place my hand on the phone call. As you can see, it's not responding properly, but it will respond definitely when you're trying to keep the phone near your ear. So that is when it will try to respond, friend. As soon as you lift your phone and keep it to the close to the ear, the proximity sensor will react and it will perform as it is. So right now you can see, friends, the demonstration which I'll be showing on this MI11X device, whether the proximity sensor is working or not, because a lot of users, they did ask me this kind of question: is there any issues with the proximity sensor or not? And one of the user, he did buy the MI11X device and he is facing the proximity sensor issue. So let me try to show you, friends, by making call in my mobile phone. So right now I'm trying to make a call in my phone as well. As you can see, I'm trying to make a call right now, and as soon as I keep my phone near my ear, the proximity sensor is working completely fine. As you can see, try to observe the screen only, friends. So now the screen is open. Sometimes, as you can see, now the screen is not responding even though there is no proximity sensor. As you can see, friends, sometimes there is a problem sometimes, but usually it should not be that major problem, as you can see. So right now the screen is there, and when I'm trying to keep the phone near my ear, the phone is getting locked. As you can see, friends, right now you can clearly see the end button here, as you can see. So the overall the proximity sensor is working fine, but sometimes it keeps on freezing sometimes. So this is what happened exactly at the moment. I think some of the users, they are facing this kind of problem. Even my unit has same kind of problem. So I did not encounter so many times this kind of problem. Maybe long back I did face this kind of problem, but a lot of users has asked this same problem is happening even in this mobile phone. So I thought of making a video and demonstrating you live. So right now you did see in the live, friends, so where the phone did not respond properly, even though if I don't press the power button as well. Proximity sensor issue is there in few of the units, and just now I did face that kind of problem as well, where the screen got completely locked sometimes, so without even pressing the power button as well. So I'll try to make another video, friends, how you can actually avoid and fix this kind of proximity problems in your smartphone. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that video. I'll be back with a solution as well very soon. So this is just a demonstration where I thought of just showing you that there is a little bit of problem is going on with the proximity sensor, so you need to be aware of that problem. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye. And don't worry about this problem, it will definitely get fixed in the next video. I'll try to do some kind of research, and I'll try to come up with a solution as well very soon, friends. So stay tuned and be patient and be safe. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.